Dave! Good morning.
Finally. Dave, you kept me waiting. I waited all night for you and you didn't even bother to call me or tell me you're not coming back. Why?
I'm so sorry. It got so late and babes, this guy is... I didn't even know when time went.
Was it that good?
So good.
Babe. So you followed that guy?
I did not. He got a room for us to stay. Trust me. And nothing happened, no. Nothing. I didn't allow him to touch me.
Babe, you can lie. Guy, I don't trust you. You can lie.
I'm not lying to you now.
I didn't even ask you. Sure you know. I did not ask you. Alright, tell me how your day went. How was it?
Went well. That guy is sweet. Trust me. I enjoyed every bit of it. And then I was looking like $1 million box. Yes, he could not even get his eyes off me.
Looking like $1 million box with my car.
Oh, babes. All thanks to you. All thanks to you. I was looking like, all gay-ish.
Baby, you know all these things, they attract the wrong people. I hope you know that.
My word advisor. Thank you. I've heard you. Enough about me. How far about that your guy?
Okay.
Your guy now, the guy that has been.
You see? Babe, at this point, this guy is after my life. Babe, he's cool.
I don't have time. How about?
What does he want to say? That he loves me. I'm the most beautiful girl. He cannot live without me. He cannot breathe without me. He's nothing without me. He's you. I beg. My ears are full. Babe, let's go. I don't have time for lies.
Okay, let me go and freshen up. I'll see you later.
Yeah, bad girl.
I'll see you later.
You are a very bad girl. You are a bad girl. You've been calling me endlessly like I owe you, and I don't appreciate that. Wait. It's okay. Just that I thought maybe when you call someone twice or 3 times max and the person doesn't pick, it just means that the person does not want to answer, or maybe the person might be too busy. It's okay. Well, in my own case, I was actually very busy. I had something to attend to, so I'm sorry. You too. Okay, bye. He's sounding all sweet now, like he won't mess up.
Hi, Fred. I am fine. And how are you doing? Oh, please. Why will you be thinking about me without calling me on the phone? Oh, of course I'm at work, but I mean, that will not stop me from picking your call, Fred, please. Anyway, I'm back. And what about you? Are you back? Okay. What about we hanging out this evening? What? Yes? Listen, that's okay. I mean, that's business, so I don't want you to reschedule it. We're gonna hang out some other time. But that's fine. That's fine. Alright. Take care of yourself, okay? I will. Alright. Bye. Bye.
I need to open this one.
What is going on?
My nails. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day.
What am I saying?
Oh, happy day.
I'm always scared.
You're scared?
Yes! What is the good news?
You opened it like I'm not going to clean this up.
What's
Babe,
celebration?
Yes. Yes. Get a glass.
Oh my god! I'm getting this glass. I am getting this glass.
One for you.
Whoa!
Okay, and then this one for me. Okay, yeah.
Baby girl, what is going on? Guess what? What is it?
Yes.
I'm not good at that now. Just
Guess
tell me.
now.
Oh, I am not good at that.
Baby,
Go
you're
ahead.
so boring.
You just go ahead and tell me the good news.
Well,
Say it. Say it.
well, your girl just acquired her third restaurant in the heart of the city.
Oh my god! Congrats!
Thank you.
That is good news. Oh my god, I'm so proud of you. Good.
Thank you.
Oh, this is good. This is good.
I know. I'm
Oh.
super excited.
Mm.
I mean, we're done with the paperwork and the transition and renovation team. They're on it, so we're good to go.
Wow! Cheers, baby. This is good news.
Thank
I
you.
am so proud of you. Look at you. Oh God. Your late parents will be so proud of you in heaven. Look at what you're doing to... this is good.
Thank you.
So you have one in Owerri, one in Enugu, and then one here now. That is 3. Baby girl, let's cheers.
More money.
I wish you more money, more business, more, and by this time next year, you're going to own 2 outlets.
Amen.
And you'll be successfully married
Hey.
with a decent man. Yes.
Please, 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 please. Pray for something else.
No, I pray for that. I pray for that.
Come here, please.
No, that's good. Look at you. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Congratulations. Oh, come here.
Thank you.
Let's just
Don't make me emotional.
It's okay. Shut up, baby. So we're going to clubbing tonight. We're going to club. We have to celebrate.
No, count me out, please. All right? I'm going to stay at home and drink myself to stupor.
Baby girl.
I mean, who's going to bring us back home if we finish drinking? Besides, I don't want to meet people. You know all these people at the club, I beg, I don't have their strength.
Babe. It's okay. I'm so proud of you. So long you're happy, I am happy.
Oh,
I am
please, don't do that. You're making me emotional.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. You're doing
Thank
so
you.
well. This is good. Cheers, baby! Wow! This is wonderful.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Wonderful.
Please sit down.
Thank you. Wow. That means I was right.
You're right about what?
That you are an angel.
Oh, please.
And you live in heaven. This is heaven on earth.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fred.
And your house is beautiful.
Thank you. What can I offer you?
What more can I ask? Just what I am okay.
Are you sure?
Perfect.
Excuse me.
Jackpot.
Good afternoon, sir. Who are you?
Well, yes. Little girl. I'm Fred by now.
Babe, wait.
Baby.
That's my man.
Is she your friend?
Yes, my sister and my best friend.
Oh, I can see. Very little girl.
Why not sit down?
She had a stressful day.
Yeah, she's fine. Ah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hold it.
Okay.
You're so dramatic.
Really?
Babe, I am so mad at you right now. Why did you bring that man to the house?
I'm sorry. What I told you said I should feel at home.
You should feel at home. Babe, since you moved here, you've never seen any man in this house, right?
I'm sorry, but I thought that's because you don't have one.
Did you just say that to me? Did you honestly say that to me?
I'm sorry. Okay, if I know this would be an issue, I will not try it. I'm sorry.
Franca, don't you think you're fast-forwarding things? You're already bringing this guy to your house. When did you meet him? A week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks? When?
How long am I supposed to meet him? How long am I supposed to know him to call him my man? How long? He's my man, and I didn't know bringing my man home would be an issue. I said, I'm sorry.
Sorry if I raised my voice. Just that I don't feel comfortable you bringing strangers into the house. You need to be careful, babe. Take things slow. Get to know and learn this person before you bring the person home, please.
Babes, listen. How long does it take to know a guy? This thing called relationship does not have any formula. Doesn't have any approach. The person you perceive to be the right person will just end up to be the wrong person. This whole thing about relationship is just a gamble.
You still have to watch out for the odds even in gamble.
Babe, listen. You may take all the time in the world to study a guy, and you end up picking the wrong one. Human beings are unpredictable. Okay?
You're right. I mean, look at me, my ex, Peter. He was actually a very sweet guy. But all he wanted was money.
Babe, see, stop dwelling in the past. Move on. Peter is in the past. What about that your guy?
Which guy?
Your new guy that dropped you when you were stranded.
I beg. I don't have any guy, please.
Babes.
I don't have any guy.
Modu, Mafa. You remember that girl now? Okay. You carry, you don't even have spec. You carry short, fat, or robust.
No,
insult me. Which of the girl? That hookup girl now.
That hookup girl where I picked for road that was stranded that time.
Oh, that one I wanted to spoil my personality.
Okay, that girl wants to spoil your personality.
I think you said that girl not be hookup girl.
No, they
You
hear
see?
word.
Not be hookup girl.
So you never ask me why I want to tell you.
So, oh yeah, tell me, what happened?
What did they press my phone?
The fight get one give her the track. Papa na senior minister.
Senior minister, yes. Anyways, that girl, I go knock am for free.
See you? As you just did like this now, the only thing you can remember is to knock a girl. A decent girl that refused to pick a call of a hookup man. I want to take like a big ghost. I be don't talk to spiritual husband. Oh. I beg, leave me, get one girl while they try to track.
This is the issues I have with you. You know the agree understand where you come from. I said I go knock the girl for free. The girl boss me.
Eh? Are you for me?
No, I'm for fake. For real now. The girl called me.
I always say, you see that girl? Like that girl can never be a hookup girl. She's too decent to be a hookup girl. So you better take the advantage of the call.
Oh. When you begin speaking English, I seem not to understand. You're speaking too much English.
Forget say I go school.
Anyways, I go sack the girl for free.
You see your problem? I'm not sure say you go feel make am for this life. Girl, when they pick your call all of a sudden because she called you. The only thing you can think of is to pierce her leg. How does it sound in your ear?
That hookup girl now. She's not a hookup girl.
Guy, stop kidding me. That girl.
What do you know they follow girl talk?
This person they follow no be hookup girl.
I
know him papa. Him papa na senior minister.
Okay. I'll give you updates.
See, man, I tell you, think straight. Leave hookup girls. Stop that girl. That girl is too decent from what I saw about her.
You see, it wasn't that difficult, was it?
He sounded like one that just won a lottery.
Baby girl, listen. You've been denying yourself love for so long. Allow someone to love you.
Babe, I just think I'll hide my identity for now. Let's see how it goes. Honestly.
That sounds to me like I'll hide my identity till he puts a ring on my hand.
That's not what I said.
Yes, that's what it feels like.
That's not what I said. You're twisting my words. Well, I mean, the first date will determine if this is going to work or not. So, let's not jump into conclusions.
Listen, don't just go and start putting like high expectation on this guy. Calm down.
You know, there was you're saying after the first date, I can follow him to his house or hotel. Think I'm some people.
1-0, right? That's okay. You win.
You know, I'm joking.
It's okay. It's fine.
I didn't call your name now.
It's okay.
I said some people.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Are you offended? I'm pulling your legs.
Hey, Ray. How you doing?
Hey, Jude. I'm so sorry I can't make it tonight.
Is everything okay?
Something important came up.
I was already dressed up, ready to come out for the date. But are you fine?
Yes, I am. Just that I have to attend to something immediately. Can we do this some other time?
Alright then, I guess we'll have to reschedule it.
My sincere apologies.
Oh boy. I mean to say don't come out. What did happen? You know they go to date again. Oh boy, this is not the spirit. What is the problem?
She just cancelled on our date.
Probably it's an emergency case.
Please, Paul, I don't want to hear that nonsense. Maybe she's going to see another guy. It's your regular thing now.
You see what I'm saying? That is why I always ask you if you are going to make it in this life. That's something that came up could be an emergency. Why are you jumping into conclusion that she's going after a man or something?
You know this thing now, eh? It's the highest bidder comes first. Maybe I wasn't the highest bidder. I don't know why I'm giving films as excuses of, an emergency. What emergency? Something we talked about of going out today. Please, I think.
See, Jide, You know, I know you very well as a Nicodemus. Nakatus. You are Nakatus. If you see this girl as a hookup girl, as a normal Nakatus, why are you bothered about her? If you see her as a hookup girl, why can't you just flow with the attitude that she's giving you and go for another waist?
What do you do with a hookup girl?
You have her.
Yes, I want to have her.
You want to have her as an Nicodemus, right? Let me tell you.
Just tell me.
Dude, Nyash na Nyash. I don't know why this particular Nyash is trying to distract your whole personality. Can you just come back to yourself and then move on?
That girl is different. I'm saying it right before you.
And even yourself, inside yourself is confirming it. That is why you're bothered. Have you not been going in 2 ways and coming out?
I'm not bothered about it. Who says I'm bothered?
Is it not about you, nigga?
Please, I'm not in for this show. Let's talk.
Come on. Nyash na Nyash, bro. Nicodemus.
Dave! Are you not supposed to be on the date with your man today? My man. Babe, I cancelled last minute. I don't feel like going again.
Babe, stop it now. Why are you toying with someone's son like this? What's going on?
Babe, I'm too old to play games. Alright? I'm tired of relationship. And if I should have one, it's something that I'm sure of. Long term, not just games and gambles. So I cancelled because I want to be sure that he loves me.
Okay.
I don't know.
Alright. I think you know better, so it's fine. It's fine.
Why are you looking like that? Are you mad at me because I cancelled?
I don't understand you.
You will never understand.
I don't understand.
It is very honest.
Hello, handsome. I am doing great. And you? Why? Today is Sunday. You want to work today? Wow. You have a building project going on? That sounds like a marriage proposal. Well, I spent half of my day thinking about you. So where are you? Why not just come and pick me? Let me know your place. Yeah, I mean, we could just do that at your place. Yes. You're busy? You have a baby around. Alright, that's okay. Tomorrow then. Okay, bye.
Oh boy! Now you be this. Oh, but this your dating today now fire.
Sweet.
You sweet.
Sweet.
You
Check
need
out.
Gucci.
Check out.
My brother, your movement is confirmed.
I'm
Hey!
going to give that girl an impression she would not forget in a long time.
My brother, what if this girl call you now and tell you that something came up that the date is cancelled? What will you do?
She know if you try am. She can't try it, bro.
My brother, know the one yourself. This girl is giving you heavy, she's giving you strong headache, and you are desperately running after her. You want to. My brother, have hope. There's hope.
You want to bet? You want to bet that the game will fall through?
Young man, if I bet you, I go chop you. I go chop you.
You won't bet with me.
I go. I don't want to eat your money.
Eh?
I don't
Come
know.
on for there.
No,
Come on for
nothing,
there.
nothing. I don't want to chop your money.
Everywhere goes stew.
But you know what?
Check out the boy,
I
now.
want to advise you,
Mhm.
brother. As you dey go there, just make sure your mind is open, so that something good can come out of it. You know, you have already concluded that that girl is a hookup girl.
Now hook up girl now. Say hook up girl. You start looking for, soft boys like me.
Do you know that blessing can come in disguise?
Uh-uh.
You guys might even end up marrying each other. So go there with open heart. Follow the girl as the spirit leads.
Oh,
Something might come out of it.
this one way down they go spiritual. For hook up girl.
I'm a spiritual man.
I beg, guy. Make we go.
Yes, I wish you good luck. Hey, my brother!
Babe. Oh, I was waiting for you. So, I'm ready. I'm ready for my date.
And you dress like this?
Yes? You don't like what I'm wearing?
No, babe, you can't dress like this on your first date. You need to impress this guy. What are you doing?
Impress him with what exactly? With nice clothes, cars, nice bags, shoes. You know that's not what I want. I just want to be a normal girl.
You're not a normal girl. I mean, you're rich, you're classy. If I'm as rich as you are, I will never need to wear this on a first date. What are you talking about?
I knew you would not understand. So it's fine.
Babe, I'm not supposed to. I mean, even me that is not as rich as yourself, I can't dress like this now.
Babe, there's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing. It's two-piece.
Babe, wait a minute. Are you not forgetting something?
What?
Your car keys.
What's the essence of dressing like this and then I'll drive to the location? No, now. It defeats the purpose if I'm going to drive there. I mean, I need to calm down, like down for this guy to see me.
Babe,
I am not driving there, babe. Wait first. I'm not driving. Sorry. Hello? Jude, are you there? Okay. Please, when I get there, I'll call you so you can come and pay for the keke. Okay. Hold your phone, no, please. Hold your phone so if I call you, you come down immediately. Thank you. Okay. All right.
babe, keke.
Na Pepe. Babe, I'll see you. You better cook.
Oh my God, this kid.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But what for?
For everything. For being a gentleman. For the transport fare.
You should thank my mom for that.
She did a very good job.
Yeah.
So, tell me more about yourself.
Haven't you heard?
What?
When you ask a man to tell you about himself, he wouldn't stop talking.
So I should be more specific.
Exactly.
Okay. I already know your name, so where are you from and what did you do for a living?
Mr. Jude is from Adversates and he works with Yomi Delight Food and Confectionaries, soon to be called Better Food.
Yomi Delight.
Yeah, although it's been sold to Better Food.
Okay. No. Did they lay off all their staff?
No, not really. Just contract staffs, but I, on the other hand, am a full-time staff.
That's nice.
So tell me about yourself.
What would you like to know about?
About you, where you from, you know?
My name is Beatrice. I'm from Enugu State. I
The parents?
my parents actually died in a fatal accident. So I live with my auntie and my family.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. I'm actually over it.
So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh.
Yes, I teach in my auntie's small school.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. I stay with my auntie. That's the reason I don't entertain male visitors like I told you.
Understandable. Beatrice, I really like you. You know, ever since I met you, stranded by the roadside, I've been thinking about you. You haven't gotten off my mind, and I really want to get closer to you.
Babe, your date is over already.
Yes.
It's not even up to 7 p.m. What happened?
Am I supposed to sleep there, babe? I mean, it's our first date. We should get to know each other. Not spend hours doing nothing.
I hope you didn't use this energy on your first date. This is not good.
Babe, there is no second date after this one. Trust me. We're not doing this again.
What happened?
Exactly what I thought would happen. I mean, this guy asked me to follow him home after the first date. Does that even make sense? Oh, God.
Babe, listen. Even the man with the purest of intention will still want sex on the first date. So please.
Babe, I don't believe that. Babe, this guy just wants knack. I'm not ready. I'm not. He just wants sex. It's obvious. Tired. Same story. Same story, different people. I'm so tired, God knows. I wish I didn't go.
My brother, I told you. The girl that did not even have transport. Yes, now I have to take care of the transport and other things. Yes. I was just there to help her life.
My brother, see, let me tell you. Yo. Forget I'm laughing. Even the girl with the purest of heart needs money. She needs to be taken care of.
Yeah.
You understand?
That is why I'm in her life now. To help her life.
Yes. And what do you think you have to help her life? Guy, no rely on me. Just tell me that you want to knock this girl as like a demus that you are. Tell me that you want to.
It's not like that. It's not like that.
So how is it?
It's not like that, my brother.
Yeah, you know, anybody that fail will always find a way to cover their failure.
But they don't fail.
Remember that we almost betted. We wanted to bet that we'll bring her home. You said you bring her home if we bet, but now the case is different. So you want to Nakademus her, and now she have swindled out of your net. So accept defeat.
Relax. Relax is part of the game. Slow and steady.
Well, my brother, you are right. But it's obvious that this girl has captured your heart. You need to be patient with her.
Hook up girl, capture my heart.
She have hooked you. There is hook in that hookup. So the hook in the hookup have hooked your throat that you don't want to do without this guy. But I will advise you to be patient with her because anything you want is possible. But don't be too fast forward.
Preacher song.
Yeah.
Preacher song.
Yeah. Cheers.
2 impressions. I have 2 impressions about this guy.
Okay.
The first one is he seems like a very, very, very proud person. Babe, he's very proud. The second one. He's too sexy, babe. He looks like he wants to just take me to his bed and just open my... babe. There's a third one.
What is the third one?
He's a supervisor at Yummy Foods and Confectionaries.
So?
Babe, that's the eatery I just bought. Oh my God. It's not like I intend telling him or something. I mean, not now, but it's still weird, obviously.
Okay. So, what are the good impressions you observe about this guy?
Well, he is very cute. He's well dressed. And I think he's a very patient person.
Okay.
I mean, I refused to follow him home and he still gave me transport fare. I made him believe I didn't have money to go back home.
Hey.
I was expecting him to put up a show, but it was really nice.
That guy is a nice person.
He is.
Babe, listen, I would advise you as a friend and a sister, don't miss this guy. No, see, nobody is perfect though.
Preach.
This guy is nuts. There's no man that does not want sex. There's
Baby,
no man
wants
that...
sex.
Listen, be patient with him. Nobody's perfect.
I actually like him. Okay, no, I didn't say that.
You said that.
I didn't say that.
I heard that.
Scratch that one. I didn't say that.
Mama, what a surprise. Mama, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Do I need to blow horn before coming to my son's house?
Mama, that's not what I meant now. After all, I've been the one pestering you to come visit me. As you told me, I'll come and pick you at the park.
Thank you, but I know my way.
Mama, you saw your faces like this. What have I done this time?
Question should be, what have you not done? It seems that my only child wants to dedicate his life to a bachelorhood.
Mama, please just relax first. You just come in before you start with your marriage lectures.
I think what I'm saying is not serious, Abby. Look, Jude, let me tell you. I and your Uncle Amadi, has seen a girl for you to marry in the village. Yes. And we have met with the family. Yes. So, my dear son, I cannot sit and watch you.
Mama, why would you calm down, okay? Calm down now.
You think I'm joking, Abby? See, I've come to peacefully inform you that you should come home by month's end. At least let us proceed for introduction. See, Jude, if I did not see you, we will proceed without you. I'm serious.
Mama, relax. I found a girl. Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm serious now.
Hey! Biano. See, I am happy now. You know, I've been praying. For past 2 weeks now, I've been praying concerning it. And I know that God never fails me. Hey, thank God. But, Chirekwa, Jude, are you sure you are not joking with me?
I'm
so
not
I'll
joking.
leave you alone.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. I found
Invite her over now. Invite the girl over now that I'm here. So I can meet her. Yes.
But Mama, you're just coming now. Mama, relax. In fact, you know what? I know you're hungry. Let me just go in there and warm something for you.
Did I tell you it was food that brought me here? No, I was not like that. Invite the girl over.
Mama, you're just coming in now.
Amam. Invite her.
Okay. I will invite her over.
Babe.
Oh,
Are you okay?
I'm alright.
Are you sure?
I'm very okay. Yes. Babe, I need a loan.
Loan?
Yes, I need a quick loan. I promise you, in 2 weeks, I'm going to pay you back.
Hold on first. Hold on. Relax. What do you need a loan for? I mean, the last time we talked about this, we said you are going to be driving my car still. You can afford to buy your own car. So, what exactly do you need a loan for?
Babe, I need a loan. Please. In 2 weeks, I'm going to pay you back. Please, I need to fix some things ASAP. You know, there are some things I'm trying to fix. So in 2 weeks, I'll pay you back.
And
please.
that thing does not have a name. It's not about you paying me back. I need to know what you're doing with the money. Why do you need a loan?
Babe, no.
Fine, how much?
1 million.
Huh? Thank you so much for this date.
The pleasure is all mine.
I really needed someone to talk to.
You know, I've always had fantasies of talking to you, sharing my day with you. I've always had it in my head of me expressing how much I love you. And here it is happening.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're done now, right? Because I want to start going home.
Okay,
What? I don't need transport fare today. I came prepared.
not really. I want to introduce you to my mom.
Why?
You know, my mom has been disturbing me about having a girlfriend, and I want to introduce you as my girlfriend.
You want to introduce me as what? Because I am not your girlfriend.
Would you want to be my girlfriend? Welcome to my home.
This is very nice.
Thank you. You know, a man has to work so I can be comfortable. Please sit.
Thank you so much. So where is your mom?
She'll be out here in a jiffy. Do you need anything?
No, I'm okay.
Yes, she is.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. You're welcome. Sit.
Thank you.
Oh, make a name.
Mama.
Oh, Dogunwa. Hey! You are now showing me you are a true son of your father.
Mama, I told you I had a woman and I will show you in due time. Mama, here she is.
Chai! She is beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey! I prepared oha soup for you. Yes. Let me go and get it.
No, Mama, you don't have to stress
Hey,
yourself.
I'm like that. Hey, you're welcome.
Ma.
Hey! Hey, whoa!
I'm sorry, that's just my mother for you, okay? It wasn't planned. It's good to have you here.
Hello?
Fred, listen, I am not sending you 1 kobo. What is it? I sent you 1 million naira just 2 days ago. And you're still requesting for another? Broke? I'm not broke. I'm just saying I'm no longer comfortable with all this. Where are you? I think we need to sit down and talk. Yes. Because Hello? 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 What? Babes!
I heard you yelling. Are you okay?
I am very okay. I'm fine. I'm just one of my designers.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's been long you talked about your man. What's going on?
Oh, Fred is fine. He traveled out of town, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going on a date with Jude.
So
I'll see when I come back.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Have fun.
Sure.
Have fun.
I don't know what you're talking about.
This guy is stupid. This guy is not picking my call. Why is he not picking his call? Wait a minute. Let this thing not be what I'm thinking. Let this not be what I'm thinking, oh. Oh my God. Let it not be that this guy has defrauded me. Franca. Oh my God. It's still going. Oh God. This guy is not taking his call. Franca, how can you be so stupid? How can I be so stupid? I don't even know where he stays. I don't even... Oh God, oh God. Oh God, what have I done to myself? Oh God. 4 million naira. Oh, Franca, what have I done? Oh, Franca, what have I done? I even sold Beatrice jewelry to complete the money. What am I going to say to Beatrice? God, what have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? What have I done? He has to pick this call. Oh God, please. God, don't allow this to happen to me. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God, what have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? What have I done? Pick this call, please. Pick it. Oh God.
You never can tell what future have for you. You never can tell what future have for you. Malukwa nechidi mekwalungwana so. Yeah, 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 yeah. One them mother wanya inugo. A man without direction is always confused. Don't judge any man from afar. Courage is the strength of love. Courage is the strength of love. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Why not in bed?
You didn't wake up to your sweet scent, so I had to just go. What were you doing?
I'm making breakfast.
What are you making?
Scrambled eggs, bread, and noodles.
Nice.
So go back to bed.
Breakfast in bed.
Yes. I love you.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you holier than all? Patience is the key to success. Impatience kills the man. Impatience lays.
Are you okay? Babe, are you alright? What is it?
Babe, I fucked up.
Stand up first, stand up. Please.
Babe, I fucked up.
No, please sit up. It's okay. What is it?
I fucked up big time, God.
Babe, you have to tell me what the problem is. What happened?
Babe, I fucked up. First, I sent him 3 million naira. And then he told me he wants to use it to clear the goods. Babe.
Franca, you sent him 3 million naira. Just like that.
And then he asked for 1 million naira again. He said he wanted to use it for the clearing of. He said he was going to pay me back.
Babe, tell me you didn't send the 1 million.
I'm sorry, I did.
You did?
I did send it to him, I did.
Frank,
you're not going to forgive me. I sold your jewelries. I was trying to.
Sorry, hold on.
Sorry.
I think you need to rephrase. What did you say? You sold what? Your jewelries. You sold my jewelries. Franca.
I'm so sorry. He said he's going to refund me the money. He said after the clearing that he's going to refund me the money. And then he appeared so real. Everything he was saying to me was very real. I didn't know he was. Babe, I'm sorry.
Babe, how can you touch my property without telling me? Is it because I said you should feel at home? Huh? You sold my jewelries without my consent.
I wish I told you. I wish you stopped me. I wanted to, but I was scared. I was scared to tell you. I didn't want you to stop me.
I asked you. I asked you why you needed money again and again and again, and you kept saying nothing. You said nothing. You said you wanted to use it for something. I asked, what is that thing? And you insisted that you're not going to tell me. Now look at it. How can you sell my property without letting me know? It's not nice.
I wish I told you. I wish you stopped me. I wish.
It's okay. It's sorry.
I wish I told you, babe. I fucked up.
It's okay. You shouldn't have touched my... You didn't go to work. Babe, are you okay?
I'm feeling feverish. I think I'm sick.
Your temperature is high. Babe, don't tell me you're still thinking about this 4 million.
That's all I've saved up for this year. And I'm even owing you 2 million naira.
It's all right. You need to stop beating yourself up. I mean, anyone makes mistakes. During my own turn, I sent over 5 million to Maxwell. Same with Peter, I sent over 3 million to Peter. So please, it's enough. I guess we all learn our lessons. Okay? It's okay.
Where am I going to start from? How am I even going to pay your money?
You don't have to pay me. You don't have to pay me. You can keep the money. It's fine. And I promise to stand by you till you can stand on your feet.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. What are friends for? It's okay.
Fred, it will never be well with you.
It's okay. Okay. Baby.
Babe, so you slept out again?
It's not my fault. Jude persuaded me to stay back, so...
Oh, please don't put it on Jude. You wanted to spend the night.
Oh yeah, you don't catch me. You don't catch me. I'm sorry, love. But that guy is so sweet. He's so sweet. I like him.
I'm happy for you. The story has changed.
Yeah. I mean, I'm beginning to like him more and more and more every day.
Wow.
He's so patient with me. You know? His story checks out. He's kind. He loves me for me. So, I mean, why not?
Wow. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
And thank you so much for persuading me to go on that date. Thank you.
Lucky you. Lucky you. Unlike me that went to fall for the wrong guy that I know absolutely nothing about.
Are we still on Fred's issue? Let it go.
Babe, do you know I met that idiot yesterday? Really? I'm telling you.
Where?
I met him at the mall. And I asked him of my money. You need to see what this guy was telling me. He said I go explain tire. This guy had the guts to tell me that. He said I have no evidence. And it's true. I don't have any evidence. I don't know his name. I don't know where he lives. I don't know absolutely nothing about that guy. That guy is fraudulent.
But babe, confronting him is just waste of energy. Let him go. I am sure there are lots of good guys out there.
Good guys? Babes, there's no good guy out there. They're all the same.
Except my judo. My baby. His story checks out. I mean, I know his name. I know where he works. I know every single detail about him. In fact, even his mother. She knows about our relationship, so why not? My baby is different, please.
It's okay. But just be careful.
I am careful.
Men are unpredictable.
I am careful.
My guy. Hey. Go. See, I have finally caught her in my trap. Love. So you are into this relationship just because of sex. And you are getting more committed. Day by day. My brother, let me tell you something. The only way to get pure sex from a woman is to make sure she falls in love with you. You need to see her. It's just fair, so committing to me anytime, any day, anywhere. My brother, I want to advise you. If you are into this relationship because of sex, you have gotten enough. And you are still getting enough. My brother, I want to ask you, apart from sex, do you see any better part of the girl? Are you seeing vision with the girl? Are you seeing her better side? Is there anything good in the girl? I beg, leave that side. My brother, if na Nakatus carry you go where that girl dey, My brother, the knack away the knack. They go deeper. You don't collect enough. Better escape for your life. Run now. It's still early. Before things go deeper. The deeper, the more dangerous.
My brother, don't worry, I'm fully in control. Yes, I'm fully in control. It's okay. I girl doesn't have anything. She's even staying with her aunt. Yes. She doesn't have a roof over her head.
It's your problem. Sometimes I wonder how you will make it in this life. Do you know that somebody can disguise? Blessing can come in disguise. Do you know if she's just trying to see your type of person, trying to see if you are somebody that she can help in future?
Paul.
Eh?
Oh, why? You know what? I better move watch us now much.
Yeah, I'm going to go watch my
I beg.
young man. See this way they say that knack and go. Knack and go. Knack and enter. That is what you are into because I'm seeing the move.
So what now? Are you going to tell him?
Of course. I mean, he's the father of my child, so why not?
Okay. But are you sure he's ready for this?
Honestly, I don't know. But he said his mom has been pushing him to get married, so who knows?
I guess this will be the last test for him.
Yeah. I mean, he has passed all my tests. And I'm kind of positive that he's going to pass this one too.
Oh. Let's be positive then. But when do you intend revealing your real personality to him?
Soon. I was thinking maybe after announcing the pregnancy. I want to see the joy on his face. Then after that, we can talk about telling him coming clean and yeah, that's all. Okay, I'm kind of excited and skeptical at the same time. I don't know. But if it goes well, we'll start planning our wedding.
You planning marriage already?
Why not? I mean, if it's okay with the pregnancy, then what is stopping us? Nothing.
Okay, go don't do it for you. Eh? Nice one. No wala, I'll come later.
Hey, my love.
No, later. Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Go for.
I'm okay.
Why didn't you tell me you're coming?
Because we talked about it yesterday and I told you.
That was yesterday. So why didn't you call me to tell me you're coming right now?
Sorry.
You know, you're taking this privilege of the fact that you have my keys, and I think you need to return them.
Jude, why are you talking to me like this? And I said I am sorry. Okay?
I was about heading out. You said you want to talk to me.
You don't believe it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I overreacted.
You kept yelling. I mean, I already said I'm sorry I visited without calling you. I'm sorry, but you kept rebuking me. Why?
But I already just said I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
I've heard you. If you want your keys, I'll just give it back to you. It's not like I'm using your house to play.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. And all the keys, I don't need them. Please, I just said I overreacted. Please, I'm sorry. Is there any other thing you want to say? Why does it look like you have something you want to tell me?
I do. But I'll tell you later. Now is not a good time.
Why don't you just split it now? You can talk to me.
I'm pregnant.
You're what?
Maybe I'm pregnant.
Wow. You're pregnant.
You didn't say anything. Aren't you happy?
I don't know. I don't know what to feel. I don't know how I feel.
You know I didn't get myself pregnant, right? It's a decision we have to take.
I'm not the one that's pregnant. I'm not the one kind of baby. Okay? It's you, so you should say something first. What do you want?
I want to keep my baby. What do you want?
Jude, you told me over the phone that I should come, that you have very important issue to discuss with me. I've been here for more than 3 minutes. You've said nothing. What is wrong with you?
Paul, I'm tired of this marriage.
What are you talking about?
I mean, I'm not feeling this marriage anymore.
I don't understand. Where is this coming from?
I feel like I got forced into this marriage. Like Beatrice forced my hands into this marriage. I wasn't ready for this.
Young man, you're barely 3 months in this marriage. And what do you mean by Beatrice force your hands into the marriage?
I'm not ready for this. I'm not feeling this marriage anymore.
My brother, are you sure you are okay? You told me in confidence that this marriage brought good luck to you. That when you started dating this girl, the new management promoted you to assistant manager with salary increment. No weekend works, no overtime.
I mean, look, with or without her in the picture, this would have happened.
Young man, these things happen because you got married to her. I know you too well, bro. You have no service nowhere. You are a broke-ass nigga. But immediately this girl came into your picture, your life turned around. What are you saying? A girl that God blessed you with, and above all, this particular girl we're talking about is carrying your child. Can't you just celebrate grace?
Paul, that is exactly what I'm talking about. That pregnancy was a trap. Yes. She used it to trap me. I mean, wait, this is the same hookup girl that found her way into my life to evade poverty. I should have just smashed and passed.
If not that I know you too well, I believe that you've taken something that is above you. You're under influence of alcohol or drug or something. Because you are talking nonsense. See, let me tell you. I'll pretend as if you've said nothing. But I think you're losing it. You need to consult a therapist or a counselor or a psychologist that can talk you back to your senses, because you are talking like a madman right now. How can you be reasoning like this?
I know you don't understand. I mean, you all don't understand me.
How will I understand foolishness and stupidity? I can never understand it.
Okay.
Sound more reasonable, young man.
Well, let's just wait till after she gives birth. I have my own plans.
Of course, more blessings will come. That baby will bring more promotion. Say amen to it.
Babe, how long are you going to continue like this? You said he has passed all your tests. But you still have not revealed your true self and word to him. You said when he marries you, that was what you told me. Now he has married you. What is the problem? How will you continue living under your own shadows?
Babe, honestly, I'm confused.
You're confused. Confused about what?
Jude. It's Jude. I don't know if I made the right decision marrying him. I mean, today he's cold. The next day he's excited. I don't understand him. It's like he doesn't want to be married to me.
Since when?
Since I told him about the pregnancy.
What? Wait a minute. And you didn't tell me. He has been displaying those attitudes and you didn't tell me.
Babe, I wanted to keep my baby.
You can't keep your baby without marrying this guy.
I don't want to welcome my baby out of wedlock.
What are you talking about? What are you saying? You better know what you want. You better decide what you want now. My darling, you have a beautiful life before this crazy man came into the picture. Oh, please. Marriage is supposed to make a woman's life better. But this one is not making you better. You have to quit it. You have to quit.
Babe, this marriage is just 3 months and you want me to quit? Huh? For what? For who? I'm not giving up on this marriage. Please stop talking about divorce. I don't like it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm okay. If I notice there is anything that is happening, maybe physically or emotionally, I will let you know. I might probably leave. But for now, I'm good. So stop worrying. Baby, it's okay. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from work.
Which work? The one I told you to stop.
And do what? Stay at home?
Yes! And enjoy the marriage you've always wanted so bad that you had to get pregnant into forcing me to marry you.
I don't understand. Why are you talking to me like this?
What don't you understand?
We had sex! We had sex and it resulted in pregnancy. You said you loved me.
Yes, I did! And that was in the beginning. Not until I found out to a manipulative liar that you had to even... Oh, because you knew my mother wanted me to get married. You had to get...
What I am not going to take is you insulting me. Alright? You're not going to paint me into what I'm not. I'm not that kind of person.
I can see the whole thing you're trying to play here. Anyways, let me pass this information to you. I don't want you to go to work anymore. I don't need you carrying my child walking up and down. And that's final.
I don't understand. What are you saying? You mean he said all that to you? I'm still recovering from how he completely changed. He believes I am a gold digger that plotted to keep him with pregnancy. Can you imagine? You, gold digger. Is that guy nuts? That guy... Oh, God. Can you imagine? You girl will get plenty busy. Is that guy okay? Because you're not showing off? I thought I found the person for me. I thought it was time to come out clean and tell him everything. I guess I'm wrong. He doesn't even want me to walk. You can imagine. Men can stain your white. Oh. So what are your plans now? I don't know. Work behind the scenes. I mean, I've not been the face of my company, so it's easy for me to do that. Mr. Philip, my manager, can handle everything, while I just sign major contracts. That's the best I can do for now. Babe, if you ask me, you're too classy for all this. You're too wealthy. You can take care of 5 kids if you wish to. Why are you messing yourself up with all this nonsense? Come back to your house. Yes, that house still belongs to you. No man is worth all this rubbish. I want my kids to feel their parents together.
Guy, just freestyle this matter. Forget about that thing you are saying. You are married to this lady. Married for life.
If not for my mother, who kept insisting and are impatient, I wouldn't have been married to this woman.
Guy, see, don't just try that game with me. How can you be telling me that it's about your mother? This your mother's saga is not involved in this girl. You saw this girl. You loved her. You went for her. And she accepted you. So don't bring your mother in. You loved her, you went for her, and you got her. What are you trying to say now?
Yeah, well, yes, I actually did like her in the beginning. But not until this whole thing.
What are the whole thing? What are the whole thing? Is it my problem with you? You are poor and you have so much pride.
Me poor?
Yes. A poor man is not supposed to have pride. PP cannot go together. Poverty, pride cannot be together. Prosperity and pride goes. Where is it that you cannot appreciate good things? Eh? Look at you now. Your level don't change. Married man. Can't you just enjoy your new life and then the life of that of your baby that is on the way coming?
Yeah, it's only that baby that's the reason why she's still under my roof. At least that's the good thing she can give to me.
Jude! See, let me tell you, my brother. Just try and enjoy your space. Yeah? Let's talk about the naming ceremony of your baby that is coming. Whether if it's male child or female child. If it's a male child, you can call him Job Judas or even John the Akbrans. Then if it's a lady, a female, you can call her Mary Magdalene because she will pick up from you. Hand over the mantle to her. She will become Nakatinibu. Anywhere she see them, anywhere she see men, she will not miss any big and high. Come on. Yes. Ah, my own baby. She will do more than you. So pray is a man.
A very stupid man.
Mary Magdalene.
You're a very stupid man.
Hello, Mama.
Good afternoon, my beautiful daughter.
Mama, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mommy. How's your leg?
I'm feeling better, my dear. The medication that was prescribed by that doctor you recommended is really working. Do you know he did not take any money from me once I mentioned your name? I was attending to free of charge and with so much care.
Really? Oh, Mama, that's nice. He's actually a very close friend to my late dad.
Thank God for you, my daughter.
We just want you to be healthy.
Well, old age comes with a lot, but I'm looking forward to seeing my grandchildren now. How is my grandchild? I hope he's kicking.
Mama, he's kicking. No. Doctor said we're doing okay.
Oh, nice. So how is your husband?
It's fine.
My daughter, is everything alright?
Everything is okay, Mama. Everything is okay. It's just the pregnancy hormones. I'm always tired these days.
Oh, I thought so. Please, my daughter, do not stress yourself at all. I don't want you to do anything. Just make sure you get a lot of rest, okay? I will call your husband to make sure too.
Okay, Mama.
And I will make sure I visit you soon.
Okay, Mama. Thank you, Ma. Okay, bye.
Honestly, this your guy. Take.
I'm tired.
Sorry. What is even wrong with this guy? You mean he told you to enter Keke to the hospital? Why didn't he take you to the hospital?
My dear, thank God. Thank God I have better options that he does not know of. He said he's busy with his work as head of purchase, so...
Can you imagine? If I were you, I would take him straight to the front desk where he will become a waiter or even the one of the servants there.
Calm down. Calm down.
That guy is very annoying. I remember at the beginning, you were not interested in this guy. Eh? He was forming, nice person, forming, kept trying and trying. I was the one that persuaded you to be with this guy. Little did I know that he's a dickhead.
Baby, it's okay. Yeah? This man is my husband and you're disrespecting him. I don't like it.
Sorry, oh husband. Sorry. I'm not just happy about all this.
I know, but it doesn't give you room to disrespect him. Please.
Nonsense. Rubbish person.
What is it now? Just allow me sleep. What is it? Eh? You want to what? Sex? That's all you do, sex. Don't you know somebody's going to work? Please allow me sleep, Obiko.
Baby, why are you yelling at me? I'm your wife.
Wait, so don't you know I'm going to work early tomorrow morning? So I should come and kill myself because I want to have sex.
Baby, wait. Baby, wait now.
I have the wait for you.
Baby, wait. Baby. Babe.
Honestly, I'm not happy with
Hi, my
you.
love.
I am not happy with you.
What did I do?
I waited all day and you didn't show.
Baby, it was raining yesterday now, you know. I was shielding Olivia from the rain. I mean, I went to pick up my mother-in-law's clothes and the rain was so much, there was no car.
Wait a second. I thought you told me your husband was home. So why didn't you go with his car?
His car? Babe, I beg. He doesn't even let me close the car, talk more of driving it.
What rubbish is that? Why are you tolerating all this nonsense from that guy? So he expects you to be jumping from one cab to the other. For real. Who is that Shawawa think he is? That guy is a very, very rubbish person. What is wrong with him?
I beg. Let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. Yesterday I saw you posted. Who did you go on a date with? Tell me.
Me dates? I didn't go for any date. After what Fred did to me, I will not pick up a date. I went for a function with my colleagues. Yes. See, any guy that will come and tell me anything about dates, I will ask him if he's related to Jesus Christ himself. Look at Jude now. Jude that we're thinking that is a very nice person. Eh? The animal turned to something else.
You have a point.
My dear, so how far? You didn't take your daughter out, at least for a photo shoot.
He said he's coming back on time. Well, let's wait.
If I don't know why you're tolerating this stupid, this
It's
guy.
okay.
I'm so classy for this guy
It's
now.
okay. Every time we visit, must we always talk about
Like, throw this guy away, find better person. Hey, I want to eat. I want to drink something.
That's the way to the kitchen. Don't disturb me.
Go and bring me something to eat.
No, try it.
So I asked the baby to open my door. What is it?
Why do you wake off alcohol? Jude, so you refused to pick your call because you were drinking?
Do I look like I'm drunk?
I can't have a conversation with you now.
Hey. These are the issues. I've not even had my dinner. I've not had something to eat. You have the guts to work out on me. Eh? I mean, what is your problem? Why do you act like a useless woman?
I served you your food since 6 p.m. You didn't call, you didn't text to say you'll be coming home late. So how is it my fault? Huh? You're drunk. So I can't have a conversation with you.
My friend, come back here. This is my house. This is my house. I pay the bills. Come here. I take care of you. What do you do? No, what do you do? Come as well. Come back by 2 a.m. and nothing will happen.
Hello? Wait a minute. Why are you stalking me? And how the hell did you get my number? No, you listen to me because I am not interested in whatsoever rubbish you want to say. I am going to pass your number to the police. I'm sure they will be interested to know the nonsense you want to say. Get out of my phone. Rubbish.
Look at you! Do we happy? You are welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you so much.
You know to see you now, I want you to book an appointment.
I beg you, rest.
It's true.
Rest.
So how is my darling Olivia?
She's fine. I wanted to bring her up, but she was crying. She insisted on staying with her dad, so.
Oh.
Besides, I was rushing to see Mr. Philip. Where is he?
He's not here yet, though. Maybe you should call him.
By this time?
Why not
It's
call him?
fine. It's fine. He will come.
Okay.
I mean, I'm here.
Babe, how are you? How is everything with you?
I'm okay. Jude keeps getting worse. It's like I don't know the man I married.
Babe, how long are you going to keep up to this? Why not quit this union? This guy no reach your level in normal.
You say these things like they are easy. Jude might be a terrible husband, yes. But he's a good father to my child. Babe, he plays with her, he dresses her. She's so used to him. I can't take that away from her. I can't.
I'm sure he does those things when he's sober and he's at home.
Yes.
Didn't you say he has the habit of drinking now?
Yeah. Only on weekends. I don't know, babe.
You are not going to take because of Olivia and stay in that marriage. Olivia is a child. When she grows up, she will understand. You need to quit this union, babe.
I can't. I can't. I can't do that to my child.
Okay. Let me get it. Okay.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
Mr. Philip, come in.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, madam.
Mr. Philip, how are you?
I'm very fine, ma. Thank you.
Okay. Please sit.
Thank you very much, ma.
I think I have to excuse both of you, okay?
Thank you. So I got report for last month, and honestly, I'm more particular about the branch at Midwifery Junction. It's not doing well. Do I have to fire the manager?
Honestly, ma, I don't think management is the problem of that branch. I think we need to make some changes in our choice of food, because the people living around there are mostly elderly people, and most of them are on pension. So I think we need to make quick change in our choice of food so that it can match with the people living around there.
In other words, you're saying you want us to change the entire menu?
Yeah, to something local, something they are familiar with.
Like swallow,
Yeah, something like that.
native rice.
Exactly, ma'am.
Okay. I think I'll look into it.
Yes, ma'am. I even made other recommendations for some changes we can make in other of our branches.
Okay.
And I sent it via WhatsApp, ma'am.
You sent it to me on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
But I've told you I always want hard copy. Stop sending business information on my WhatsApp for now.
I'm so sorry
Please.
about that, ma'am. So sorry.
Let me have the file later, okay?
I will do just that, ma'am.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what we're talking about here? One container of rice, flour, and vegetable oil. Just like that.
Hey, 6.6 million naira worth of goods. How manage? I don't know, Paul. I don't know. I don't know how manage. I signed such consignments. I can't even relate to this. But where is Musa? He's claiming that he delivered the consignment already. I seem not to understand what's going on here.
To who?
Hey.
What if he forged your signature?
I know. I remember one of the days I was eating at the canteen and Musa brought some documents. I can vividly remember, but you know this thing now, you just bring paper. I just signed and passed.
He is responsible and he has to pay.
Jude is innocent. Musa is the culprit. Where is Musa?
He's on his way back to Lagos, ma.
Babe, Musa is the culprit. I'm very sure.
But ma, how sure are you that he's innocent? Because from the concluded investigation, all fingers point at him.
You're going to stop every investigation about this case for now. Alright? And allow Jude to return to his job.
What? But ma...
He needs to start working. And that's fine.
Understood, ma.
You can leave, please.
Thank you very much, ma.
Babe, why are you shielding him?
I'm not. I mean, you don't expect me to stone him to death if he's innocent. I overheard him discussing with his friend and he said he has done nothing, so I believe him. What?
Babe, how far?
He's not yet back. 2 days now.
2 days? Did he mention he was traveling?
No. I called his supervisor and they said he has not missed work even for a day. So I think I'll have to call his mom.
Babe, now that girl with this, so...
I don't think so, babe, honestly. I don't think so.
Babe, you need to shine your eyes. Don't allow this guy to keep using you.
I've heard you. I'll dig into this, okay? Babe, I don't know. I'm tired. What is my offense? I don't know what to do again. I'm tired.
Babe, see, it's okay. Just calm down, okay? He's just a useless man. I will come and see you after work tomorrow. Stay strong, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Babies
been knocking. Why are you not answering? Eh?
You decided to knock. Because the last time I checked, you have your keys.
Look, I have no time for your nagging today. I've had a very long day.
Long day doing what? I'm not sure your daughter can recognize you anymore. When you are busy jumping from one hotel to another with that cheap slut of yours.
At least she's better than you. I have no time for your nagging tonight.
I won't listen to you because you're obviously drunk.
So bad.
I see you like it.
It's okay, it's manageable. Sweetheart.
What's going on here?
Oh. Is she the wife you're talking about?
Yes, I am the wife he talked about. And you are?
This is Florence, my fiance and soon-to-be wife.
Excuse you. Your what?
My fiance.
I don't want to call you names. But I am going inside. I'm going to pretend I didn't hear him actually. I will step in to check what I have on fire.
Better.
If I come out and I see your lousy self here, when you look at yourself at the mirror, your complexion will end up like mine. I swear to God. Try me.
What did she just say now? You know what? I am not caught up for this right now. I'm not coming back to this house until you settle whatever it is you have with your wife. Do you get that? I'm living here right now. Excuse me. Whatever.
It's your audacity for me. You'd have endured all your excesses. But you see this one? This is where I draw the line. You hear me? This is where I draw the line. You wouldn't dare.
How dare you insult my fiance before me?
Your fiance? Huh?
I mean, a man has the right to marry as many wives as possible. So what is your problem with me bringing another wife to this house?
I think you're missing the point. I don't care if you end up with 100 wives, 200, 300, no matter the amount of wives you want to take, I don't care as long as you don't bring them under my roof. Get them a separate apartment. Please.
For your information, I'm going to marry Florence into this house.
You lie. Read my lips. Never. Never!
I'm sure you know that we cannot have banter concerning this issue. Because right now I see that the only option here is divorce. Yes, because if you can't cohabitate with your fellow wife, you can as well leave. I mean, has it not come to your notice that this marriage is just for status and not a reality? I'm sure you know that you're no longer here.
You sounded very serious on the phone, like, what's really going on?
Do you remember when I told you that there is a line Jude will cross and he will bring out the beast in me?
Yes.
He has crossed that line.
Ooh, finally. Finally, finally. Now tell me, what did he do?
Babe, I was so deal with Jude. God knows I was so deal with Jude, he would not even see it coming.
Oh, girl. You don't know how much I've waited for this time. I've waited for this time for so long. Now tell me, what has he done?
I've been quiet. Babe, I am not a fool. I've faced all manner of abuse from Jude. I've endured. He drinks, he smokes. I've found condom in his pocket several times. And I've not said anything. Then Jude proceeds to bring in a woman into a house that I share with him. Can you imagine? What?
Oh my God.
Jude wants to take a second wife.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! What?
He's a joker.
So what are your plans now? Babe, you need to hit that guy so hard. So hard that he will not recover from it. That guy is he's a lunatic.
I don't have anything in mind. But babe, when I am done with him, when I am done with Jude, you won't see it coming. I swear. Jude is threatening me with a divorce. Jude.
What? Okay. That's... What?
And where are you coming from? And don't even give me the impression you went to joke with Oliver in school, because I won't buy that. I'm talking to you.
Don't yell at me. Why are you so interested in knowing where I'm coming from?
You don't answer a question with a question.
You don't get to talk to me like I'm your child!
You didn't talk back with me.
What morals do you have to ask me where I'm coming from? Huh? You come home late at night. You fly from one hotel to another hotel with your cheap slots. So who gave you the right to ask me where I'm coming from?
I'm the man of this house. I provide everything in this house. What do you do? Nothing!
Oh, please spare me that nonsense! You know what? I'm actually tired of hearing you do this, you do that, when in actual sense, you do nothing! There are men, real men, that provide for their wives. Their wives drive the best cars. They go on vacations, they clothe their wife, they feed their wife, they provide every single thing that a woman would need. But what do you do for me actually? You don't want me to work. Yet you won't let me rest. It's about what you do for me, what you do. What is it? What exactly are you doing for me that a woman being does not do for another person? Huh?
I'm tired of this marriage. I give you 3 days to leave. You'll hear from my lawyer.
Beatrice, what is the matter? I have been here for so long. You're not saying anything. Can you please talk to me?
Ever since I got married to your friend, I've been through so much. I've been through so much pain. There is nothing I've not endured in this marriage. Jude said he wants a divorce.
Beatrice, just calm down, right? I will talk to him. I don't know what has come over him these days. How can he be talking about divorce? Let me call the mother so that she will come, we'll join hands together and talk some sense into him. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I don't think he listens to anybody. It's like he hates me.
Just hold on. Let me call her.
Hi. So, this is how he keeps late nights.
Let's pray he comes home tonight.
Hi. Chineke. Jude. So this whole thing is true. Look at the time a married man is coming home. And who is this woman you brought home?
Hi, Mama.
Ah,
Good evening, Ma.
shut up. How that's your nonsense greeting to yourself, you home breaker. Did my son not tell you that he's married with a child?
Of course he did.
And what are you doing here?
Oh, well, Mama, he said she'll be leaving his house in 3 days' time. So,
Living where?
his house.
Mama, enough of all this now. Mama, you're making a big deal out of this. This is Florence, my fiance.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, Beatrice and I cannot work. This marriage is over. It can't work.
What do you mean? What do you mean that you have to free each other? I don't understand.
Mama, we have to free each other now. This marriage can't work.
What do you mean by that? Chineke me.
Hey, Jude, are you for real now? No, are you for real? Look at the beautiful lady that God bless you with. You want to leave her for this whore?
Bro, please. What's the meaning of that? His marriage is not a blessing to me.
She is your downfall. She can never be a blessing.
Listen to me. You homebreaker. You are not welcome in this house. And my son will never marry you. Do you understand? Before I close my eyes and open it, let it be that you vanish from this place. Ekako!
No, Mama, what is the meaning of this now? Why would you try to just leave?
Get out of this place!
Hey, young man, come back.
Jude, come back here! Come back here, Jude! Hey!
Are you sure that this guy? Are you sure this guy is not lying flesh?
Chineke me.
Jude! Jude!
Hi!
Jude said he doesn't want me to work. I stopped working. Mama, where did I get it wrong? Where?
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. As long as I'm alive, he can never bring that woman into this house. Omame! Don't worry yourself. How about that one?
Where is that lady? Where is her? You see, this marriage is over. Let me tell you. If like call the Pope, call anybody. This marriage is over.
Why should poor nonsense, sir?
You need to calm down.
It will not happen in this house.
Beatrice, just calm down. Everything will be fine. I promise you.
You have it? Good. All right, send everything to me. Yes, everything. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so what next now?
I just turned on the heat. Jude will feel the heat.
I love this. Do you know how long I've waited for this? This is good.
It is. A man is only a man if he can back his words with actions. Take away his means, he becomes a scared little girl.
That's it.
I'm so excited.
This is good.
It is. Sorry. Hello, Ma.
Hello, my daughter. Where are you?
Mama, I'm fine where I am.
What do you mean you are fine where you are? Where are you?
Mama, I said I'm fine. I mean, Jude wants me out of the house, so I left.
Where is my granddaughter? You went to pick her from school?
Mama, my daughter is fine. She's with me.
Please, where are you? Eh?
Hello? Come, please, listen to me, you papa. See, you better tell me where my daughter is now. If not, if I find you, you would not like what I'll do to you.
Listen to me, you pathetic swine. She's my daughter and I have every right to take her whenever I so please. Do you understand? And if you want to see her, I will send you an address. But you need to give me 1 week headshot before you come. Have I made myself clear? Nonsense.
What did she say?
Number 24, Elm Street, Crystal Estate.
Did what?
What did she do with my daughter here?
Number 24, did what?
Mama, come on.
Jude, where are you going to? Come back, Jude. Hey! Where is this girl? Where has she taken my granddaughter to? Hey!
Madam.
Yes?
So somebody there forget.
Okay. What are their names?
Say then Paulinson and Judy. Yeah.
Jude? Babe! Jude? What's he doing here? Don't try to open that gate for them. Are you hearing me? What's he doing here? Can you imagine that idiot? Why will he even come? What? Jude, you're late because Oliver is sleeping. By the way, I sent you the address, yes. But I asked you to give me 1 week head up before coming here. So what are you doing here?
Beatrice, what are you doing here?
I beg your pardon?
I mean, what are you doing here? Look, I know you can be with any man. In fact, you have the freedom to be with any man, right? I'm sure this is, that's your doctor friend's house, right? Anyways, you both can do anything you want to do, okay? But for my child, I would not allow another man to raise my child.
Oh, shut up!
You never even tell. You never even tell. No,
My friend,
don't
shut
enter
up!
around my house.
Look at you. This house belongs to her. There's no man in here. Idiots.
What do you mean this is Beatrice's house?
You know, she wouldn't have stooped so low to date your type. Dude. If not for my conviction, my intervention. Look at you. At the beginning when you were calling and calling and calling and calling, I am so disappointed in what you turned out to be, Jude. Look at you.
What is she even saying?
You will lose.
Mr. Jude, welcome to my house. I would have said you're welcome, but it's obvious that you're not. You know, I really thought you were the man for me. First time I set my eyes on you, I wasn't convinced, but a couple of dates and I felt you were different. I felt you were different from every other man that I've met. I was happy, I was excited. I was in love with you. Just when I was about to come clean, you showed me your true colors. It's a pity. It's a pity because all you've brought me is pain. You called me a pauper, a gold digger, a swine, name it. You were physically, mentally, emotionally, physically manipulative and abusive, and I kept hoping that the same man that I fell in love with would come back to me. It's a pity that the only light that I saw in 3 years and 7 months was my child. That's the only good thing I got out from it. It's appalling. Did you ever sit to think how you, big fool, how you went from a post of mess supervisor to the head of purchases? Did you ever think about that? I mean, what qualification do you have? Are you qualified enough? It was me. Did you see sit back to think how your mom got the best of service medically. It was my money, my connection. But you were so stuck up with yourself, stuck up with the narrative that me, Beatrice, wants to dig gold from you. You. Where the gold exactly? Because I can't see, I'm blind. I can't see the gold you're talking about, Jude.
Beatrice.
Monkey, shut up! You were opportune to marry your boss, the CEO of Better Food. Look at you. And you messed up. You messed up big time.
Beatrice, Beatrice, look. Beatrice, it was the devil. Beatrice, babe. Babe, it was the devil.
You just called her babe.
Hey.
He just called you babe.
Look, anything you need, I'll do it. We can fix this.
Hey. You call me babe. You're fired. How dare you? You call me babe? Really?
Auntie.
Will you shut up? Shut up, I'm talking and you're talking. Who the hell are you? Where is this thing coming from?
I don't even know.
You skinny moron. Look at his head like that of an ostrich. I'm talking at you and you dare open your skinny mouth to talk nonsense.
Auntie.
Will you shut up? One more word from you. I swear to God that made me and you're not going to see the light of the day.
Yes.
Huh? Skinny idiot.
Looks like
Look at his head. And hey, back to you. You're calling me babe. And you said, what do I need? From who exactly? Remind me. Because the last time I checked, I'm not seeing anything. So what exactly will I need from a swine like you? What do you think I will need?
Bros, talk now. Talk now. Babe, Franca, please.
Don't call my name. Don't mention my name.
We can fix this, babe. Please.
We can fix it. Have you not heard? A broken bottle has no remedy. Are you not familiar with those lines? Look at who is calling me a pauper. Look at you. Dude, so this is you in all your glory.
In all your stupidity. In all your foolishness.
Mr. Jude, you are a big fool. Have you not heard? A broken bottle has no remedy. Have you not heard? You moron, have you not heard? You were sitting on your high horse.
Sorry.
Oh, you're sorry? For what exactly? For cheating on me? Or for being mentally, physically, and emotionally abusive? What are you sorry for, Jude? What exactly are you sorry for?
Carry different.
And let me tell you, I don't need incompetent hands in my company, alright? So we are done.
Please get out.
Get out of my house.
Get out! Get out!
Dude, I don't want to be angry if I slap you! Get out of my house! Take this skinny goat out of this place!
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Skinny idiot. Can you imagine?
That's it, girl. That's it. That's it! That's it. Idiots.
He's calling me
babe!
Marriage of 3 years, 7 months. When last did he call me babe?
Can you imagine? You gave it to him. That's it, baby. That's it!
So, she has been the one secretly paying for my treatment. Eh, Jude? Hey!
Hey! You see what I talk? You see what I talk? I'm gonna tell you this from the beginning, saying, not be every girl where you see one go. From the beginning! And the time you say this girl 30 cents. This girl never begin, you know they say, oh, look at you now. As we go here, this girl get married. Carry English, they knock me different titles. Chineke. See you. Anyways, where you see, you go like to. You go like to. I don't go by you. You see this girl when they like Benson, when they bump for gold. Yeah, now. This girl get married. They use English. They give me different titles. You see those titles, they will come back to you. You are a handsome fool. Senseless idiot. You see, you don't even like my head, but you don't like how to do that. See, God, you know opportunity now. Run for your life!
You know the very first day I set my eyes on this girl, I told you I like her. She is beautiful, humble and care. Oh, you have really missed a treasure. You have missed a treasure.
Look at you.
My enemies have finally got
I told you that you can never make it in this life. Look at it. Foolish idiot! Mama.
Come inside.
Hey.
Ma, sit down. Don't even dare to sit there. Don't try it. Don't try it. I am going to call her.
Sit down.
Mama.
No, Mama.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm not complaining. Eh? I'm okay. I'm okay like this.
Eh?
I'm okay. Mama.
Hi. Hey. Beatrice, my daughter. Come.
No, please don't hug her.
Get them also good.
Don't hug her.
Come and sit down. Hey, good afternoon, my daughter. Sit down. Oh.
Ma, I'm okay.
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, Mama.
Please sit.
Hey, Mama. You too, sit. Oh. How is my granddaughter? I hope you are taking good care of her.
Yes, ma, I am.
Thank God. Thank God. Jude! Sit down.
Sit what?
You will stand. Mr. Jude, please sit. You're welcome. Please let me see.
Hi!
Babe.
Babe, have you lost your sense of time?
I'm sorry. I mean, Beatrice.
Better.
Thank you for taking care of our daughter.
Jude, you have just 5 minutes to say what you
Hey!
And your time starts now, actually.
I'm very sorry for everything. Sincerely, I am. Look, I wish I could turn back the hands of time and right my wrongs, please.
You chased me, you got me, and you fumbled me. You have 4 minutes to complete what you have to say.
Beatrice, I am very sorry. Look, I'll do anything to get this back. Please.
My daughter, please. Please, I know he offended you greatly. But everything has cleared though.
Exactly.
Yes, he's thinking normal now. He has changed. Pico bar and one pico.
3 minutes.
Hey!
What's your next line again? Go on.
Hi.
I love you.
2 minutes. Next. You're done. Mama, it was nice seeing you.
Time up.
I've been knocking for the past 3 minutes. Didn't you hear me knocking?
Is that why you're sounding like this? Calm down, I was inside. I was in the room.
You were inside in the room doing what? Well, you were busy with your phone.
My phone. I said I was in the room. Didn't you hear me? I didn't hear you.
Look, I'm tired, please. I'm hungry. What did you cook?
Cook. Food. I did not cook anything. Because you didn't leave me any money in the house. Did you?
So because I did not leave, couldn't you just take money from yourself and just make something for the house?
Hey, nothing Florence no go here. Me, take money from myself, as in how? I don't understand. Let me ask you, when was the last time you gave me money for my upkeep? Or I should use my spittle to cook for you? See, Jude, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me.
Why are you sounding like this? Don't you have a business your mother is managing? If it's a business I invested in, I boosted that business for you.
My mother, like my own mother, should cater for a full-grown man like you. Jude, you should be ashamed of yourself. Be ashamed of yourself. Pity yourself for once.
Paul, my life is going down the drain. Just 2 weeks and I've run into bankruptcy. I can't even feed properly. To worsen the whole issue, Florence is not even helping out. She's not supporting. Nothing at all.
Well, you know very well that she just graduated. She has not even gone for her service.
Oh, leave that thing. She has a business that her mother manages. I know how much I have pumped into that business. Florence can't even give me 1,000 naira. To worsen it all, she goes out and comes back anytime she likes.
Oh, you are complaining now. You know the irony of all this? Florence is everything that Beatrice is. She is a hookup girl. She nags. She comes in anytime she likes. She is a gold digger. She's after your wealth. Why Beatrice is everything that Florence is not? She is rich. She is loving. She is caring. So, why the complaint? You've gotten what you ordered. Why not enjoy it to the fullness?
I just wish you could just give me one more chance, you know.
I know their time. They love once. And once their heart is broken, they will never turn back. So there is no second chance around Beatrice. So enjoy your tears.
You know, Paul, I can't go down like this.
What are you talking about?
I'm going to hit Beatrice. I'm going to hit her hard.
This is a word from a wounded man. So what is the meaning of what you're saying? How do you intend to hit her back?
Alimony.
What is alimony?
You know, when a couple decide to divorce, the richer maintains the life of the lower one. I'm going to order for half of her wealth.
Jude, you're such a joker. So your mind, your little mind is telling you that you can betray her trust, betray her love, pierce her innocent heart, grind it to powder, and then come back and demand for her wealth. Who does that?
What do I have to lose? I mean, I've lost custody of my child. I've lost my job. This is the only last move I have.
My brother, that child is safe where she is. A poor man does not train child. And a man that does not have sound mind cannot cut up a child. So what we do is to cry your cry in silence. It's an advice though.
Yes, it goes.
Well, let it not be that I am standing against my best friend. Okay, you want to apply that alimony. Do you have money to pay the mediators, the barristers, whosoever that will stand before you and the judge? Do you have the phone to push it to the end?
So like this property, this one is very close to this your outlet here. And yeah, and the price is good. Very good.
It looks like it's going to need some renovation.
Of course now you have to, so that it will look like new. You understand what I'm saying? And the way they are going, the price
Good evening,
is...
madams.
Nosa,
Good evening.
what is it?
You get one woman forget. She said she from court. Say she from Curtis. Yeah. Say she wants to see you.
Cultist.
What
I don't
are
understand.
you talking about?
I don't know. Just she be Curtis. Say you wear white and black. So you dey forget like this.
She's outside.
Yes, madam.
Bring her in.
Okay.
Which one is cultist? This guy is stupid. Very dumb.
Do you have any idea about what this is about?
No, you're not.
Madam, see the Curtis.
Good evening, ma'am.
Oh God. See, just get out. Just go. Leave.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Auntie Cultist.
Are you Miss Beatrice, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
I have a notice from the court for you, ma'am.
Sorry, what did you say?
I have a notice from the court for you, ma'am.
From who?
There you go.
Thank you.
Please, can you sign here?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too.
What is going on?
I don't know.
What is it?
From Jude. Jude is suing me to court.
What?
He wants half of my property.
What for? That guy is stupid. What the heck?
Okay. Mrs. Beatrice, I'd like you to run me through the whole story again.
Her ex-husband Jude discovered that she's wealthy after he has served her the divorce papers, and now he wants half of her wealth.
I thought he would come for my daughter. It's appalling he's coming after money.
Has any judge pronounced you both divorced?
No.
Okay. You see, according to the law, until a judge dissolves your marriage, he remains your legally married husband. As it stands now, you both are just separated. May I know how long you've been married?
3 years and 7 months.
3 years and 7 months. Okay. I need you to tell me everything that happened in these 3 years and 7 months of your union with your husband. Everything. Every tiniest thing that I need to know.
It's been 3 years, 7 months of torture. Abuse. Name it. In fact, I think he only got married to me because I was pregnant. Not because he wanted to spend the rest of his life with me.
Really? How did you know this?
He mentioned every day. He told me. He called me all sorts of names. He said I was a pauper, a gold digger, and that I only used pregnancy to get him. Irony of the whole situation is, I actually made him who he is.
You made him? How was that?
He didn't know he was working for me. I was his boss.
Interesting.
Barrister, every ill treatment you can think of, my friend here has been through that with that useless man. That guy wanted her to be a full-time housewife with no allowance. This guy goes from one hotel to the other, packing women. Why are you not saying all that? This guy sleeps around, he does all manner of... This guy is a complete lunatic, a psychophant. I needed to tell her that.
I only stayed because of my daughter. I wanted my daughter to grow with her dad around. That's the only reason I stayed. I endured everything. Not until he brought another girl home and I objected. So he served me divorce papers.
Very interesting story. And up until that moment, he didn't know you were his boss?
No. I've been through so much in the hands of men. I was scared. I wanted someone to love me for me. I wanted someone to appreciate me. It's appalling that what I feared happened. I hid all my properties from him. Everything. I never mentioned anything. Throughout the time we were dating, even when I lived with him as his wife, he doesn't have any idea. Do you think there are legal implications?
Well, they can only win what we cannot defend.
Good day, barrister. Yeah, I was supposed to be at the office, but I'm sorry I couldn't make it. And you said documentation was supposed to take place urgently. Okay, so For the past 3 years, my wife has been hiding her wealth. We're married and I never knew she was so wealthy. I've been the one taking care of every other things in the house, taking care of the family. We've just been living on lies, basically. And I don't seem to take this well with me. Barrister, look, it's just the whole wealth thing. She did it for me, okay? And I'm not cool with it for the past 3 years. So I just want the wealth to be divided equally. I've taken a whole lot of pain to take care of this family. That's just what I want. Alright, thank you very much. First up, I was hoping to hear from you. Alright, thank you.
Mr. Jude, can you please tell this honorable court why you are in court?
My lord, my wife and I have been married for over 3 years. Unfortunately, we've been going through some situations which led to our separation. During the period we stayed together, my wife would starve me and not give me money. She deceived me, my wife. My lord, I am tired of this marriage. I don't want to stay in such marriage that could lead to my death. I want this court to divorce us, my lord.
Mr. Jude, you just told this honorable court that your wife used to starve you of food and money, that she even deceived you. Can you please explain to this court what you mean by that?
Yes, my lord. My wife here is a very rich woman. In fact, she's a billionaire. I, on the other hand, I don't have money. I go the extra mile to hustle and bustle, day and night, hawking in the streets, bringing the little penny I make back to the house in order for us to have a living. Not knowing my wife, on the other hand, is deceiving me as a billionaire, refused to help. I toiled day and night, my lord. But this woman refused to help me. Instead, she kept nagging, fighting with me, causing me problems. My lord, I could not take it. Like I said earlier, I did not want to die in this so-called marriage. My lord, I had to leave. We had to go our separate ways so I can breathe fresh air. My lord.
Mr. Jude, are you telling this honorable court that for over 3 years you've been married to your wife, she has not contributed to the running of your family?
No, my lord. She has not contributed a penny. Rather, I will go out there in the streets, make as little as 2,500. My wife will use 2,000 naira to make soup, hiding the fact that she has money, deceiving me. I keep on hustling and hustling to make sure our family is in order, my lord.
Are you saying she has also concealed the fact that she is rich from your knowledge?
Yes, my lord. Not just conceiving the fact that she is very, very rich. I mean a billionaire. She's also the CEO of the company where I worked in. Due to the fact of our separation, she managed to fire me from the company, leaving me penniless in the streets. After everything I have done to make sure the family is running, my lord.
So, Mr. Jude, what do you want this honorable court to do for you?
Thank you, my lord. Like I said earlier,
My wife is a very rich woman. I have suffered. I have suffered indeed. I have toiled day and night, my lord. I want the court to tell Beatrice to declare her assets to the court and share it 50-50, every single asset, so that I can get my own share of the assets while we go our separate way as a former husband. Thank you, my lord.
My lord, that will be all for the witness.
Thank you. Cancel any cross-examination?
Yes, my lord. However, I would plead for an adjournment. This is to enable me find more details to my findings in order to publicly cross-examine the witness, my lord.
Are you opposing for the application of the adjournment?
No, my lord.
In that case, matters adjourned for cross-examination of the witness.
This guy is a complete lunatic. Can you imagine him? That idiot! That guy is the most stupid human being I've seen in my entire life. He wants half of your wealth? Is it temerity for me? The impetus, the audacity! God!
It's okay. Legally, he has every right to demand whatsoever he wants. But it is our job to discredit all his claims, and that we shall do.
Barrister, you have to get to work.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Do not let this bother you. Okay?
Yeah.
I shall handle them accordingly. Right? Did you hear me?
Yes.
I shall handle them accordingly. Okay. I beg to take my leave.
Please do.
Thank you.
Oh, gosh. Honestly, I felt like strangling him. That guy is... You know what? See, okay, don't worry.
Dear Jude, I am your mother. See, what I see sitting down, if you stand up, you cannot see it too. What you are doing is very, very bad, Jude. What you are doing is very bad. Jude, that girl did not do anything to you. This girl have done a lot for me. In fact, for you and I. Eh? Why do you want to pay her evil? Why are you so wicked? Why are you this evil? Eh? Why are you going after her money now? After everything, you are being the one wickeding this girl. Eh? Causing her pains. Making her to cry. And now you are going after her money. If you are bomo,
I had running of life. Look at you. You always accuse your ex-wife as a way she's running to you because she wants to escape from poverty. Now, let me ask you. You always call her a gold digger, a hookup girl. Now look at it. You are now running after her own money, her life savings. You are appealing for her to share her money with you. If you are the one that is as broke or as rich as the girl, and the girl is as broke as you are, and she's demanding for the share of your wealth, how will you feel?
Joy.
So heartless and mean.
Hi, honey. Good evening. Mama, good evening.
I don't think we should be fighting. I mean, we're Olivia's parents.
Are you saying I should drop the case of alimony because you have a child? Or are you saying we should set out of court?
You're the one that wronged me. Everything that I did for you and this family was from my heart. You gave me your word. You said you would love me till the end, and you didn't. You wronged me. I don't owe you, so withdraw the case.
I'm sorry, Beatrice, I can't.
Don't get me wrong, I'm not here to beg you. I'm actually talking because I have a child with you. But if you want to continue with the case, it's fine. But trust me, you're not going to win. I promise. You don't have to say anything, I'm going.
Mr. Jude Irago, how long have you been married to my client, Mrs. Beatrice Irago?
For 3 years.
3 years. Interesting. And the reason you filed the suit isn't what you told this court, but just because you want a half of her properties and wealth. Is that so?
No, my lord. I filed this divorce because I was suffering. The marriage was not working. And I felt since the marriage wasn't working, we go our separate ways.
The marriage wasn't working. That is why you filed for a divorce, isn't that?
Yes.
So, Mr. Jude Irago, are you now telling this honorable court that you're no longer interested in the property and wealth of my client?
My lord, we object to this line of questioning. The question is irrelevant.
Objection overruled. The question is relevant. Witness, go ahead and answer your question.
Thank you, my lord. I want half of the property. As I am jobless. If not, I may not live to see another day.
Mr. Jude, you have not filed this divorce case on any legal grounds of infidelity, nor that my client, your wife, has failed on her duties as a wife. But just because you want half of her properties and wealth. Isn't that why we are here today?
Objection, my lord. Counsel is unfair and prejudicial to my client.
Objection overruled. Answer your question.
My lord, like I said, I have suffered in the hands of this woman. My wife is a nagging and stingy woman. I have done nothing other than making sure that everything goes well in my family. But it seemed not to be working, which is why I decided we go our separate way. But at the same time, I want half of the wealth because she fired me from the company, leaving me penniless. So I would actually need something to sustain myself.
Mr. Jude, you said you became aware of my clients through financial status shortly after you got separated. Is that correct?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Jude, if I may take you back memory lane, what was my client, Mrs. Beatrice, your wife, doing to earn a living when you got married to her?
She was a school teacher.
A school teacher? And you stopped her from continuing her job as a school teacher shortly after you got married to her?
Objection, Your Lordship. This line of question has no relevance.
Objection overruled. Answer your question.
My lord, I stopped her from working because she was pregnant with our child. And the salary which she was receiving was insignificant.
Insignificant salary. Mr. Jude, when you finally turned my client, your wife, Mrs. Beatrice, into a full-time housewife, did you at any point provide her with some sort of monthly or even weekly allowances, nor give her any access to some sort of fund to maintain herself and your family? Did you do that? I put it to you, Mr. Jude Iruago, that you never loved my client, your wife, Mrs. Beatrice, nor were you ever committed to this marriage.
Objection, my lord. Counsel is prejudicial and unfair to my client.
Objection sustained.
No further question, my lord.
Are you ready to put in your defense today?
Yes, my lord. Very much ready. The only witness I have is right here in court.
My name is Beatrice Irago. I'm married to Mr. Jude Irago. We've been married for 3 years and 7 months. We have a child together. Throughout the period I lived with Mr. Jude, I endured all sorts of abuse, physical, emotional, financial, and social abuse, name it. Mr. Jude called me a pauper, a gold digger, who only got pregnant to tie him down. My lord, irony of the whole thing is, whatever wealth that Mr. Jude has amassed was because of me. Jude comes home late every night. Most nights he comes home drunk. I never objected to that. In fact, I should say that I got tired of complaining, so I was calm. Not until he brought home his lover and I objected to it. It was not okay by me. Jude moved out. It was like a switch was turned off in my marriage. He's barely home. He sleeps out almost every night. With no reasonable excuse or explanation as to where his whereabouts is, I got tired. My lord, Mr. Jude here never loved me. His love was not real. He felt our marriage was a sham. He doesn't respect our vows.
Mrs. Beatrice.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you telling this honorable court that your husband, Mr. Jude Iruago, has a habit of drinking? Good. You also told this court that your husband verbally and otherwise abused you while in the marriage. Is that correct?
Yes. Like I said, he called me all sorts of names. Swine, gold digger, name it, prostitute. He never allows me to ride in his car. Throughout my pregnancy, actually, when I needed him most, he was not there.
You also mentioned before your lordship and everyone present here that you helped your husband, Mr. Jude Iruago, amass his wealth. Is that correct?
Of course.
Please tell the honorable court how that came about.
My lord, the place where my husband works is actually owned by me. I bought that property months before we started dating. He worked there as a mere supervisor. But through my connection, he was promoted from the post of mere supervisor to assistant manager, then head of purchases, all in the space of 6 months. We also offered Mr. Jude several bonus packages, which includes 200,000 naira monthly, which, if I'm going to be honest, was not part of any of our agreement with him during the period he was employed. But, I mean, he's my husband, and I felt it was my own way of contributing to my family.
Interesting. Your Lordship, it is proven to this honorable court that my client was never a liability. She was judiciously helping and assisting the husband in the smooth running of their home. Only that she was doing that behind the scene. Mrs. Beatrice, aside the promotion and the bonus packages given to him at his workplace, which happens to be your own company, were there other ways that you supported your husband? Please tell the Honorable Court.
Of course. Mr. Jude's mother, who happens to be my mother-in-law, needed medical attention. Jude complained to me. And this particular medical issue was there even before I came into the picture. Every single treatment that she has received as regards to her arthritis has proved abortive. So I recommended St. Charles Hospital, which happens to be the best hospital in town. I asked Mr. Jude to meet Dr. Maxwell. I told him that Dr. Maxwell is my father's close friend. And that was a lie, my lord. Because every single treatment that Jude's mother has received in that hospital has been paid by me, and I am still paying for it. I have receipts. If the court will want me to provide that, I have receipts. I've paid over 5 million naira as regards to this sickness. She can attest to it if she's going to be honest, my lord.
Mrs. Beatrice.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the Honorable Court why you chose to remain in such an abusive marriage, even when you are able enough to survive without Mr. Jude, your husband? I'm sorry, Your Lordship, my client is a bit emotional. Please go ahead, speak. It's okay, just speak, please.
I think I stayed for my child. First, I love Mr. Jude. I honestly believe in my heart that he's different. I used to. And I felt that if I could wait a little, he would change. I tried to talk to people close to him, his mom, his friend, people I thought maybe he would listen to, so that he can see me for me and know that I love him. But he never changed. So I stayed for my child. I wanted Olivia to live with her dad and her mom, because I really believe that when a child grows up with her parents around, she would feel all the love and all the positive energy she can get. That's the only reason why I stayed. Not until Mr. Jude insisted on taking another wife. He never loved me. He wanted someone wealthier. So when I left and he discovered I was wealthy, he filed this suit.
How did you know he didn't love you?
Mr. Jude told me himself. He said the only reason why he got married to me was because I was pregnant. If I was not pregnant, I'm not sure Mr. Jude would want to spend the rest of his life with me. He told me so.
Last question, Mrs. Beatrice. Can you tell the Honorable Court why you hid your true financial status from your husband, Mr. Jude?
My lord, I've been through a lot of things in the hands of men. Not once, not twice, several times. I didn't tell Jude of my financial status because I felt it was not relevant. I wanted him to know me, see me, without seeing what comes with me. I wanted Jude to love me for me. One would say I wanted a normal life, normal love. And Jude gave me all that initially, not until he changed. He became everything that I feared in a man. That's all.
That will be all for now, my lord.
Called any cross-examination?
Mrs. Beatrice, did you know Jude was drinking before you agreed to date him? Or you suddenly found out he was drinking after both of you got married?
I knew he was drinking, but he was not a heavy drinker.
So can you tell us how you identified now that he gets drunk or he's a drunkard?
He comes home very tired. He doesn't shower. He lays on the bed without taking off his work clothes. Most times he wets the bed.
And when you met him, he had a life. He had a job he was doing, and he was doing fine. Am I correct?
That's correct, sir. He had a life, he had a job, but he wasn't doing fine.
But after your separation, he lost the job because you fired him to get back to him for divorcing you.
Objection, my lord. That question was prejudicial and unfair to my client. My lord, the sack of Mr. Jude Iruago was solely a managerial decision, and the management paid him all benefits and gratuity accordingly. My client, Mrs. Beatrice, had no hand in that. It was just a mere coincidence that Mr. Jude was fired at the time of this case.
Objection sustained.
Indeed. What a coincidence. Because he had his job intact and there was no prior quarrel that would have led to his sack until he filed to divorce you. And yet again, in your testimony, you accepted the fact that you concealed your financial status from your husband, which grossly violates the principle of utmost good faith, and ultimately amounts to deceit and cheating, and the filing of this matter in the court.
Objection, my lord. That question is irrelevant. My client never filed for a divorce. Mr. Jude did.
Objection sustained.
My lord, that does not change the fact that my client was deceived. And you know, in a home or in a marriage, love alone cannot sustain marriage.
I think we have had enough for today. I hereby adjourn this case for both parties or counsels to address the court.
Barrister, I must tell you the truth. I did not like I went to the art court. I mean, the co-barrister was bringing up points and he felt as if he didn't know what was happening. Please, ensure that we win this case. Okay, and what is it? Paul can never do that. My mother, no, my mother, she won't. Barrister, I would pay you money and even add an extra role in this case.
Mrs. Beatrice, if you can get both of them to testify against Jude, or even one of them, then this case is as good as won by us.
Okay. Jude and Paul are bosom friends. I don't think Paul would do that to him. As for his mom, I don't even want to think about it because no mother will ever turn against their child. Jude is her only child.
But what about you persuade them? Like motivate them? You understand what I mean?
You mean bribe them?
Something like that.
I won't. I can never do that, I'm sorry. Can't.
You can never tell. They might just accept.
Maybe I don't want to push it, alright?
It's fine. It's fine. We shall explore all other means that we have. Don't worry. This case, we shall win it.
Amen. Thank you.
I have to leave now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Babe.
This one you're dressed casual. Aren't you going for a jump hunt? Or have you given up?
You're seated here painting your nails. I hope you've made something for me to eat. Because I dropped money for you to cook.
It is true that you dropped money for food today. But I didn't make anything for today. I didn't cook anything. Sorry.
Are you okay? Are you trying to tell me that there's no food in the kitchen or what?
What's the big deal? Okay, see, if you're that hungry, we could go out and eat something. Maybe later I'll cook or something.
Florence, are you stupid? Are you listening to yourself? Let me not just get into that kitchen and find nothing in that kitchen.
Hey, poor men can act, sha. Kilo day. I'm not putting for body show with you.
She's taking so much time. She'll be here. I can't wait for her to see that. Come in. Oh, Barrister, we've been waiting for you.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Beatrice.
You're welcome, Barrister.
Hi, Franca. You sounded so very urgent on the phone.
Yes.
What is it?
Please sit. There is a new information that I got.
What is it?
Apparently, Jude remarried.
Yes. What?
Yes.
I told you that guy is a fool.
Okay. See.
The guy is a fool.
Goodness God.
Is that enough?
Right on time.
Good.
Right on time for tomorrow's hearing. When did this marriage happen?
Yeah, according to my source, he said 2 weeks. 2 weeks after he served me divorce papers.
Good! Good!
Yes.
Now I need a beam of smile on that face. Give it to me. You know why? Because Jude will be roasted tomorrow in the court of law.
Thank God.
I'm so grateful for this.
Mister, thank you
This has made my work so easy.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Please, can I email these pictures to you?
Right away.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you coming from and where do you think you're going to?
Just please, not now. I am so tired.
I just asked you a simple question. Shut your trap. Where do you think you're coming from? Where are you going to?
Inside.
Inside? What are you going to do inside? Ever since you came into my life, I've been bad luck. Go in there, pack your things, and get out of my house. Now!
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I assured you that victory would be ours.
And it was ours, actually.
So now all glory to God.
Cheers to victory.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
I almost drank my wine.
Cheers, darling.
And when next you hear the name, Barrister I hope it makes a heavy vibration in your eardrums.
I
Cheers
trust
again.
you.
Cheers. Cheers to
trust
victory.
you.
Cheers.
The street is tough, the love is far, but someone need to do something to get love. Someone need to do something to be loved. The street is tough, the love is far, but someone need to do something to get love. Someone do something. Someone need to do something to be loved. What I fear most